Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to talk with Copilot. In order to do it, just click on the microphone. If you are using it for the first time, it'll ask you for your microphone permission. Then Copilot will introduce yourself, and then you can start talking with him.
Hey, I'm all ears. What should I call you?
Hard Reset.
Nice to meet you, Shishik. What's on your mind today?
What was George Orwell's 1984 about?
It's a dystopian novel setting in a totalitarian society under constant surveillance. The ruling party wields total power, controlling truth and rewriting history. The protagonist, Winston Smith, wrestles with oppression, yearning for truth and freedom in a world where independent thought is a crime.
And this is how it works. You can also click on while the Copilot is speaking, you can just talk to interrupt and then switch to a different topic or anything. You can also, as you can see here, you can click on the settings and change the voice settings and the voice speed. Or if you are interrupted, if the Copilot is speaking, then you want to interrupt it without talking over it, you can just click on the microphone, then it will stop talking and it will just listen to you again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.